Good morning, everybody. This is the Planet Earth here. I've been calling around all these small countries everywhere around the world, and I'm happy to find that the Eritrea, I'm not exactly how to say it, but the Eritrea ring, the ring when you're ringing the country, it sounds absolutely amazing. But listen to this. I'm gonna call Eritrea right now, and listen to how it rings. And I'll do this for other videos too. I don't know why, but I'm going to do it. This is going to be their ringtone. This is what it sounds like.
To complete your international call, please press 1. Connecting call.
Listen to this. That sounds fucking badass. Now, I'll do more for other countries.